Once upon a time, in a sunny little neighborhood, there lived a group of friends named Max, Lily, Sam, and Mia. One summer, they decided to turn an empty plot of land into a beautiful garden. They dreamed of bright flowers, juicy vegetables, and tall sunflowers. Excitedly, they gathered seeds and started planting them right away. However, they didn't know much about gardening. Max thought plants needed water all the time, so he drenched them every morning and evening. Lily, trying to help, pulled every weed she saw, often mistaking young plants for weeds. Sam was too eager and planted seeds too close to each other. Mia, the animal lover, placed shiny objects around, thinking it was decoration, but they scared away the pollinators. As days passed, their garden began to wilt, and the friends grew worried. One afternoon, as they sat by their struggling plants, a wise gardener named Mr. Green walked by. Seeing their sad faces, he approached and offered to help. "Gardening is an art," he said gently. "Let me teach you how to care for these living things." Mr. Green explained that plants need the right amount of water, not too much or too little. He showed Max how to check the soil's moisture before watering. To Lily, he taught the difference between weeds and young plants, encouraging her to ask if she was unsure. Sam learned about spacing seeds to give them room to grow. Mia discovered that while decorations are lovely, it's important to use ones that attract bees and butterflies. With new knowledge and Mr. Green's guidance, the friends returned to their garden. They carefully watered the plants, cleared the weeds, spaced the new seeds correctly, and added flowers that attracted helpful insects. Day by day, their garden began to flourish. Sunflowers reached for the sky, vegetables ripened in the sun, and flowers bloomed with vibrant colors. The friends felt proud of their garden and themselves. They had learned that caring for living things required patience, responsibility, and teamwork. Soon, other neighbors noticed the beautiful garden and joined the effort, making the plot an even more wonderful place. The friends knew that nurturing a garden was not just about plants growing, but about growing together. From then on, they became known as the Garden Club, always ready to share their knowledge and help others start their own gardens. And so, the once empty plot became a symbol of community, love, and the joy of growing life together. And they all lived happily ever after, proudly tending to their little piece of paradise.